Today we'll talk about how can you add or change content language on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings. You come to settings list, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on languages here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to content languages here, click in this sign. So when you just click on it, in here can you enable any language you want to add here or disable it if you want. Then when you done, click here on done. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.